All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. It is 10 teeth on top and 10 on bottom. Nice grill, guys. It'll cover all of the visible teeth here. It is diamond cut and diamond dust finish. Solid 925 sterling silver. This is handmade for a perfect fit. Look at that. This is custom work, guys. Handmade by our jeweler. Now, check this out. Here's the back side. You can see it just snaps right on the teeth there. Beautiful grill set, guys. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can do a 10-10 just like this, or different combinations. You know, a top, bottom, set. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.